Hello crafty friends, welcome back to Cardz TV with Mary. Today we're going to do card number 1 in the Father's Day card series for 2018. We're going to start out with a craft card base, and this is going to be a landscape style card. So our card opens like this. We've got a black mat, which is 4 1/8 by 5 3/8, and then this really pretty plaid mat, which is 4 by 5 1/4, and this is from a photo play paper pad, and I think it was called Mad for Plaid. And you can see on the other side it's got black and white gingham. But I'm going to grab my art glitter glue and get these two mats together and get this on our card base. I love these colors for a masculine card. Our card base is all done, and doesn't that look nice for a Father's Day card or any kind of masculine card? Love that. Now, I don't have the Suburbia cartridge, so I went to my design space in my Cricut Explorer on my computer, and I found this fan. And I cut this at, including the shadow, at 2.657 by 3.236. And if you have the Suburbia cartridge, I think it's probably 3 1/4 if you want to cut it out from there. But I'm going to put this on the front of my card, and I wanted the word Dad, so I went to the Beyond Birthdays cartridge, and I cut this Dad out, and this is at 1 3/4, and you'll find that on page 136 if you have a Cricut Expression. If not, I think you can find this in Cricut Design Space as well. I've got this on foam tape. I've got my fan on foam tape, but I wanted to have something for my fan to sit on. So I pulled out my Artiste cartridge, and I cut this banner at 1 inch, and that's on page 66 in the Artiste cartridge. Or if you've purchased Artiste and you've put that into your Cricut Design Space, you'll find it there. I'm going to go ahead and glue this down flat right here, and then take the backing off my foam tape and get my fan on here and Dad, and you can see it says, Dad, I'm your biggest fan. Little play on words. I'm your biggest fan comes from the Cardz TV This and That cartridge. There it is right there, and you can see it's the white on black. I used Versamark ink to stamp it, and then I used some Wow opaque bright white superfine embossing powder, and that's nice and shiny and glossy. So I'm going to get all of this adhered down. We'll come back and take a last look at card number 1 in the Father's Day card series for 2018. Oh yes, and right here I put a little cream colored enamel dot in the center of the fan. Here's my finished card for Father's Day, and this is going to my sweet father-in-law, and I think he's really going to get a kick out of this play on words, I'm your biggest fan. So there we go, guys. That's card number 1 in the Father's Day card series for 2018. Thanks so much for coming by today, and if you're not already a subscriber to Cardz TV, I hope you'll hit that little icon that's going to be popping up in just a minute. And I've also got links to 2 other videos that you might enjoy watching. And if you do subscribe, don't forget to hit that little bell so you'll be notified each time I post a new video. Thanks again, guys, and I'll see you again soon with another card. Bye now.